Hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to study solving and graphing system of linear inequalities, and our objective is to solve a system of two linear inequalities into variables and to graph the solution sets. Okay, and this is your math with your teacher Marife Adonis. Okay, so let's have a review, okay, or a warm-up. So determine whether the point P is a solution of linear inequalities. So here, to know that this one or the coordinates of point P, which is 2 and 2, is a solution of this set. So let's solve. Okay. So 2x, okay, 2x plus 1. So we have 2 is less than or equal to negative 2 times 2 plus 1. So we have 2 less than or equal to negative 4 plus 1. So 2 is less than or equal to negative 3. Is this correct? Okay, so you have to do is change the variation and it becomes correct. Okay, so therefore the 2 as coordinate is the solution for this equation or inequality. Okay, so for the number 2 we will do this later. Now tell which of the following is a linear inequality into variables. Explain your answer. Okay, for example, number 1, 4x plus y is less than or equal to 15. So this one is inequality y because it has this sign, the less than, and also it has x and y. So it's two variables. Number 2, though it's inequality, but it's not a two variable. So I could say yeah, no. So the answer is no. And 3, this is an equation, not an equality. Of course, it's not. And 4, okay, this is yes. 5, yes. 6, no, because it is an inequality. And also 7 is no. 8 is no, okay. 9 is no. 10 is yes. All right. Now, so state whether its given ordered pair is a solution of the inequality. So just like what we did on the previous slide, so all you have to do is just substitute the values of the coordinates here, which is 7 and 2, like 2 times 7. Okay, I will do the first and you do the rest. Okay, or greater than 10. Okay, so we have 2 times 7 is 14 minus 2, so greater than 10. So therefore 12 is greater than 10. So therefore we can say that 7 and 2 are the solution of inequality 2x minus y greater than 10. Alright, so you do it all the rest. Now let's have the quick review for our lesson. What is the difference between an equation and inequality? Okay, so for an equation, we have this sign, okay? And for inequality, we have this sign. So we have the less than and the greater than. So which one is shaded? Equality or inequality? The answer is inequality. What is the line solid, or when is the line solid? So for line is solid if it has an equal sign here, okay? And when is the line dash or dotted? So that is if the given equation inequality is like this. So there is no equal sign. Okay. How do you figure out where to shade? Pick a plug or pick a point to plug in. And let's graph this inequality. So as an example, we have our slope is 1 and our y-intercept is negative 2. So by graphing this, we obtain this. Okay, so always remember to shade if you have this one. Okay, next, let's move on. So just like we did in the previous, so we have here. Okay, so for 9x minus y is greater than 23, so let's move, and then we have 9 times 4 minus 10 is greater than 23. Of course, 36 minus 10 is greater than, so 26 is greater than 23. It's correct. Next, we have 5 times 4 plus 2 or plus 0.29 or greater than or equal to 20. So we have 20 plus 20 plus 2 because zero point 0.2 times 10 is 2. So 22 is greater than or equal to 20. Next. So the answer is yes. Alright. Next we have 2 and negative 1. Okay. So from y is less than or equal to 4x plus 1. So we have negative 1 less than, so times 2. Negative 1 is less than 9. So this is track. What about the others? So we have negative 2 or 2 negative times 2 plus 2. This, so there one, this one is not correct. Okay? Yes, no. Alright. Now in graphing a system of linear equation, we can use the slope, we can use the table of values, but for any reason for the no, para mabilis, madali, no? So we use here table of values. So later I'm going to teach you how to do it, okay? Next we have here y is, okay, so the graph of y is greater than or less than 2 is horizontal line with a dash, no? So it's not straight because it's the symbol, no? Then we shade downward because it's less than, okay? Then for x is greater than or equal to negative 1, our graph is vertical because, no, okay, so then we have our shaded is the right, to the right because it's greater than. And of course, this means all the solution of this two system is focused on this quadrant. Okay, in the fourth quadrant, we all the solution is here. All right. Now, as I can say, no. So, for example, we have here y is greater than x minus 2. So you can use a table of values in solving this and drawing a conclusion, no? So like x and y, so this is a table of values. Say you have 4 values for x here, 1 2 3 4, or 1 2 3 lang, 0 1 2 3. So all you have to do is substitute all the x with the given here. 0 minus 2 is negative 2, and then 1 minus 2 is negative 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. So eto, we can plot this here. So we have here, this is 0, at the center is 0. So we have 0, negative 2. Of course, your point will be here. Okay, no. It's easy if it is, if you have already the graphing paper, because it's easier to point out. Okay, so we have here. And okay, so I don't know if you can see the dot. Then we have 1 negative 1 is here like this, and then we have 2 0, of course the point will be here, and then we have 3 1, so 3 1 here, like, and then you can connect all the dots. Okay, connect all the dots. So we have, okay, so we have here dust line. All right, so it's dust line. Okay, so 1, okay, so it's a dust line, so we need to make a dust line. All right, so let's put then here, and then we compare later. No, so this is 1, this one, Yeah, so this is the last line and it's correct. And of course, you need to shade at the top. Okay, that's it. Okay, next. What about the second equation or inequality? So using the same table of values, okay, we have here x, y. No, so we have negative 1/2 times 0, that is 3. Okay, so 0, 3. And then and 1, we can here one negative 1/2 of 1 is negative 1/2 times 3, that is, or plus 3, that's ibig sabihin 3 minus um negative 1/2, that's 2 and 1/2. Okay, so 2 and 1/2, and then we have 3 and 2, so we have 2. Okay, and then this one is 1 and 1/2, or 1.5. Okay, so from 0, 3, 0 to 3, that means 1, 2, 3. So we have positive y. So, okay. Our point is here. Magalaw lang talaga yung kamay ko. Yan. Okay, dito. And then we have a 1 and 2 and 1/2. So, here. Right. So, look at that. Okay, and then 2, 2. Yan, here. Then we have 3 and 1/2. Okay, dito. And then try to connect. So as you can see here, ito na po yung given. Yan, see? It's really coincides with the given. And then you shade down because it's less than. So pagka greater than, pataas yun. But since it's less than, okay, then we will check na saan po yung niya. Yan. So these are the solutions. So this side, no, this side here is the solution of this given. Okay? So today, we were going to practice this one, and I hope you have your graphing paper, and we will do this, right? Okay, so as you can see here, and so this must be like your answer here, and then we have another. All right. Okay, so do this, and of course you can, by wrap up, checking solutions have to work for both equations. Okay, so remember, in graphic inequalities, dash or dotted for negative, or the for less than or greater than, and solid line for less than or equal to, or greater than equal to. For shading, pick a point. Okay, so for your set work, please do this. And with that, thank you everyone for, and we are now on the second quarter, so please copy and continue making your notes. All right, all, love you.